Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have already gone through the poem Lesson 11 Choices. I have given you the introduction and the reading of the poem. I hope all of you have read it many times, the poem, and already started to learn. So today I am going to explain the poem paragraph wise. So please follow your book along with me. Kindly take the page 87, that is lesson 11. We all make choices in our lives. As I told you already, all of us make choices, whether you are small, whether we are big, but life is a choice. No, everyday life we make choices. While we are usually free to make them, we must also accept their consequences. It is not that simply we keep making choices. When we make a choice, we should be ready to bear the consequences, the result of that choice that we have made. For that we need acceptance as well as the courage. This poem talks about the many choices that life has to offer. So as we go through this poem, we can make out many of the daily life things comes on this, how we have to make a choice, right or wrong, yes or no. So this type of things will come as we go through this poem. So life gives us so many choices. As I told you in the introduction, while giving that introduction, I told you life gives us too many choices. It's all depend upon how we choose and select it. So let us go through the poem. We all have a choice to live a lie or be ourselves, to laugh and cry, or to follow someone else. So as we journey through our life, already the fact or the truth is that we all have a choice and we have to make a choice. Now choice of what? Choice to live a lie. To live a lie means live in a dishonest way. Or to be ourselves means to be truthful to ourselves. Two choice. Whether you want to live a life of saying lies means something not supposed to be, or you want to like a dishonest way, or you want to be ourselves. What we are, we want to place it before as we are. To laugh and cry or to follow someone else. Just you want two choice. You want to laugh or you want to cry. Or you want to follow somebody. Someone else is laughing, so I laugh. Or somebody else is crying, so I cry. So where is your choice? We have two choices. You do go with the people or you have your own stand. So make a choice for yourselves. We are not imitators, but we have our own thoughts, our own feelings. From there which arises, that becomes our choice. To look up and smile or bow down and frown. To walk the whole mile or take off our crown. Now here, to look up and smile, choice. You look at the world, look at the things that is happening around. Two choices there. You look at the things and smile, or bow down and frown, or we with humility, we just bow ourselves on frown means we make faces, the situation around us after we observe. Sometimes we smile at things of our life. Sometimes we just accept it. Bow down means you accept in humility, and frown means make faces. Frowning can be making faces of different types. We all know smiley. That smiley face has different expressions. All this happens to us. Why that smiley and the faces, all that comes All these are our inner feelings revealed. What way our eyes goes, what way our mouth, how we look at, all these matters. To walk the whole mile or take off our crown. Choice is given to us. No, go through our life. Maybe you have to walk through the road. Maybe it is not very pleasing to us, but or just give up, take off our crown. No, the crown which is given to us, the responsibility that given to us, just take it off and just move around as we wish. But that life is not that. We have a choice to shout out loud or chant or whisper, to fly through the clouds or be blown like a paper. Chant means like repeat a phrase rhythmically, over and again. Rhythmically we keep on repeating something that becomes a chant. Sometimes while we pray, we use this type of chanting. We have a choice to shout out loud. We have a choice. You want to shout out loud, or you want to chant or whisper. If you want to say, like for example, studies. We are all, when we sit in the class or we sit at home, we can two ways of studying is there. You can say loud way of reading and we disturb everybody and nothing goes into our head. Another one, we just remain quietly, read, understanding, and we read and we try to understand and assimilate and we learn it. So these are the two ways. But even that not only that, but we are thinking just around our world. Two things we can do. Just go on saying something, or just keep it ourselves, observe things and then just say it such a way that it will not become a very big show. To fly through the clouds, if you want to just move around, be free, or to be blown like a paper. Means knowing the fact, taking the responsibility, we can do two things. Means you just go around flying without having any much difference between what you are and what we are doing. But or it will be like just blown like a paper. Somebody will just, when we put or fly a paper aeroplane, what happens? It will just move around, those type. So these are the two things. Like in the clouds, be free and fly. Means after understanding, be free. Instead of just like flying wherever control is of somebody else and we move around. Not life is not like that. It's all depend upon what choice I make. So we already have completed 3 paragraphs. Okay, we will have one more paragraph. To conquer our fear or hide in the shadow, to the wise words hear, or be thrown out the window. To conquer our fear, choice is that we all have a kind of fear. Conquer means, apna kabja mein leke aana. You have to overcome that. Or to hide in the shadow. Either you are fearful, a person who is very frightened, we can, with somebody's help or with our own effort, we can make that fear vanish from us. Or you will just go and hide somewhere under the shadow and remain, yes, I am frightened, I can't do this, I can't do that. That way also we can be handled with our fear. So two choices, either you conquer or you hide. So what is your choice? It's all depend upon. I am frightened. Yes, I am frightened to swim in the water. What should I do? I will try learning how to swim. Thereafter my fear, slowly I'll keep my leg. First I'll keep my foot, then I'll keep my little more leg. Each step by step we try to, what is that called? We try to handle it, then everything we can overcome. Same thing. Studying. Sometimes some children used to say in the class, all of you used to say, sister, give me short answers. When the long answer are frightened. How we will learn that anxiety. But learn one by bit at a time, sentence at a time. You can learn very big essays. This is a lesson for us. to the wise words hear or be thrown out the window. No? Listen to the people who has wisdom, no? Who gives us a direction, who guide us. Listen to them or be thrown out of the window. Otherwise, you will be just thrown out of the window without listening to somebody with your own thoughts. Now, when we have choice to be guided by somebody, we should accept it. No? Listen to the parents, listen to the elders, listen to them, because their wisdom is much bigger than our wisdom, our experience. So when we listen to that and when we go through this type of things, naturally we are also able to handle our own choices and our own effort and our own problems. So I'll just stop it here. This rest of the things we'll have in the next part of the this explanation, next part. Okay, thank you. Read the poem well and try to learn it.